Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. Got another pocket knife to show you. I got this one at a garage sale about 2 weeks ago. It's a hammer brand, equal end jack. Got your main blade here, long nail nick, clip point blade. Got the tank stamp there. It's got a decorative plastic wrap clamshell scale here. Really cool looking, like a cracked ice with lightning bolts running through it. It's got the pin blade here. Overall, just a nice little pocket knife. This one's from 1945 through 55. Nice cool one to add to the collection. Thanks for watching.